Agustin, aka Reason Why, aka Pissy, and this is my bike check. I have the Destroy 29er Custom Pissy Edition. There's never a real name for it. I'm probably the only one to even have one, and it's sick, so it's really sick. So you should try and get one. We got the Phoenix Sport with the cross. It's probably like 6 years old, so you can't buy this either. Freedom Cruise 2.0 29er tires. I honestly think they're the best 29er tires. They're like super light, super good grip. What's this piece called still?
Sprocket.
A sprocket, yeah, I got the sprocket with the guards. Madeira, it's Madeira brand. And it's got the teeth, so you know what's good. And then we got some shadow cranks, thanks to Jacob Ruff. The metal shadow pedals, because got a pedal slide with the metal pedals. Otherwise you're gonna wear through. The non-hold fast straps. They're called Royal, that's the brand. Royal straps, stolen seat, and resist seat post. Unknown stem and destroyed bars. Oh, don't forget these Zen grips for like super good, grippage. And then I got wheels, 2 of them, that's it. They got hubs as well, but you don't need to know about them. Machete in the back, and something in the front, and I got micro pegs for all those pegless grinds. And that's about it. Shout out to the Raw frame for lasting on my balcony for like 3 years, and just every day it looks thicker. I want to shout out Suck My Cog for the content, always staying with the content. Rough Bike Co, just because they're still making sick shit. And also Master. You gotta get those new Master hubs, those are sick. I might have to pick one up. Just shout out all these companies you don't ride for. Well, I don't really ride for anyone right now. Destroy Bikes, I'll still ride for Destroy Bikes, I'm still doing it. Support.